Hello pool players, Ron here. Got a scenario I want to share with you guys. This is something every player must know. So what I've done here is I've kind of symmetrically set up these 8 balls. So this would be like a 9-ball break. 1 ball dropped in. You've got a good look at your 1, and your 2 ball is over here. And we're going to be able to get shape on this very easily, and we'll do it right now. But we're also going to move this 2 ball to the other side of the table, shoot the same shot to see if we can get shape to the other side as well. So here we go. We'll shoot this. And that's perfect right there. Now, let's say that we move that 2 ball to the other side of the table. Now, by the way, this 1 ball is 1 diamond and 1 diamond over. I've marked the cue ball at center table. We're going to shoot the shot again. Once again, we're going to move this 2 ball to this side of the table. And we've got to get shape. Same shot, okay? So we're going to put inside here. A little bit of follow. And that's perfect as well. I suggest that you guys set this shot up and shoot it over and over again, because you're going to need to know from that same shot how to get from one side of the table to the other. It's going to help your game big time. But let's look at another shot now. Our next scenario, we've got the 2 ball moved right up here by this 6, and we've got the same shot going into the corner with the 1, but we're going to play some low left draw here. Want to really draw this cue ball over this direction, and watch how we can get shape for the 2 to go in the side. And that's perfect right there. Now, leaving the 2 ball right where it's at, let's go ahead and make another shot. Now this time I want to try to come over here, hit this cushion, and come in this direction so I can pocket the 2 in that corner. A little more stroke here. A little less left on it as well. I hit it a little bit too strong, but not bad. I've got that nice, it's dead straight actually. If it was a little bit less on the cushion, I can still do it, but it's a little bit jacked up, and I can have the 3 right here. So now let's take a look at another shot scenario. So our next shot, we've moved the 2 ball frozen to the cushion right at the first diamond, and this is a shot that really intrigued me when I started playing the game. I would watch Efren Reyes play, and the commentators would say, boy, he killed that ball nicely on the cushion. I didn't really understand what they were talking about when I first started. But what they meant was that he was using inside spin, because inside spin will grab that cushion up here, in this case, and it will hold the cue ball on that end of the table so that we can have a relative easy shot on the 2. Now the other thing about the inside spin is it will make the cue ball come in this direction, and it'll allow that angle to be more manageable. If we have it too steep, it's going to be hard to pocket this 2. But with the inside spin, we'll have a good look at the 2. It's a finesse shot, and we want to I call it slinging the cue ball. So I'm going to hit inside right, and watch how it grabs the cushion and slows down. And you can just see it die right there. It just kind of, because that thing, if you would not have hit that, just with center ball, it would have been way down here, probably snuggered behind the 6. But now we have this nice shot on the 2, and we can easily get shape on the 3 in the side, or we can come over into here for the 3 down in the corner. Lots of options. Now let's take a look at another shot. Okay guys, this is my last shot, and this is the one that I love the most. This is a low inside spin shot. So we're going to draw the cue ball. We've got the 2 ball put at the middle diamond right on the cushion. We've got to avoid the 2, but we've also got to hold the cue ball somewhere over in here, so we have a nice easy shot for the 2 in the corner. So the low inside, this is the key to the shot. The inside hopefully will hold us with that nice easy angle for the cut into the corner. So we've got to miss the 2 with the draw, and we got to hold the cue ball with the inside or the right spin. really good right there. It's a difficult shot because you've got to draw it enough and still hold it. Learn that shot. It's a great one to have, especially in 8-ball games. Anything where you've got little movements with a cue ball, we've held it nicely there, and we can easily get on the 3 with a nice shot down in the corner. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and once again, like I always say, keep on practicing.